Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another Tybot and Griffy video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Lego set, Vulture's Trucker Robbery. It's a Spider-Man Lego set. It has 93 pieces. It's $20 and it comes with Spider-Man, the Vulture, and the Vulture's getaway driver. Now, let me move that out of the way. What we have here is the Vulture. We have the Vulture with TNT, a harpoon with a chain that goes down and attaches to a box with gold bars in it. And then we have another box that has red and blue jewels in it. These boxes open and close. And then we have Spider-Man's web, which has this big part on the end. Then we have Spider-Man with his motorcycle, who he fits on it very good. And then we have the truck with the, let me pull her out, with the getaway driver in it, with her little helmet. And the lens comes up and then goes back down. And then the truck itself has the steering wheel, the seat, the horns, the front, the windshield, the lights. And then this is the thing to store the boxes in with the stuff from the bank. But the cool thing about this is that when you see this yellow thing right here, when you push it up, it pops that out. So that's Vulture's Trucker Robbery Spider-Man Lego set. Vulture, the driver, Spider-Man, 93 pieces, 4 and older, $20. Me and Griffin will see you all next time on Tybot and Griffy.